Recently, we have been seeing a very nice strength in the Bitcoin price action, and as you know, tonight the Bitcoin broke out from this range, which I was looking at, monitoring, and we broke out with very nice volume, and the open interest in whole this move to the upside was rising, which is really good. That means that new money is coming into the market. So this is really nice. This is healthy, I would say. And let's look at the triangle, which I was also monitoring. So as you can see on the break of this triangle, we've got a really nice volume to the upside. We broke out from this triangle, and basically, it is right now invalidated, you could say. But I won't delete it because of very simple fact that we might retest it. So right now what I want to also show you is the fixed range pulse, which I have here. So as you can see, after breaking the major pivot point, in my opinion, it was the point of control of this whole range. As you can see, we broke out from it, we retested it, and after that we've seen only green candles on the daily chart. So we've got a really nice momentum to the upside, and this is really great. We broke out from this also value area of this range. So as you can see, we went above value area high, and where we have rejected from, well, that is very simple. It is the daily level. As you can see, we almost tapped the daily level. As you can see, a little front run, very little, and we have rejected from it already for 1.5%. So this is the local resistance, I would say. But as you can see, we are also not going lower than this point of control of this range. So very simply, to make it a little bit easier to understand, what we can do is pull two ranges. So we have one here, as you can see. Previously it was support. Once it was broken, it was acting as a resistance. We broke out from it, and where we can see another range. Very simple, support, and right here we have a resistance. So we can pull another range just like that. So we basically broke out from this range to enter into this range. For me, it is very important. Let me do it like that. It is very important to see acceptance into this range. What does it mean? It means that I must see volume coming in, people basically trading in this area of this value area of this range. That would mean that people are actually accepting this price price action, basically this price, and they want to trade above $45,000. That is really simple. If I see that, okay, then I can look to trade this range. Because as you can see, we entered into this range, we ranged, we enter into this. We can also range for some time. Obviously, after such an impulse, we can see price ranging or making a retracement. So volume, open interest was rising, really healthy move, really nice. What I would like to see now? Well, very simply, a retest of the triangle or the range. For that, I can show you again the fixed ranges. What is important is this pull, as you can see, where we have this range. As you can see, we have value area high right here. So that would mean that around here, I would like to see a retest. It would not be the end of the world if we would go down to retest the point of control. However, that wouldn't be much bullish, I would say. Let's look at the retracement if we have any. We don't really. It is in the middle of the golden pocket and 0.5 Fibonacci level. So yeah, not very nice, but of course we have point of controls of the whole downtrend and this range. So this is obviously an important area if we'll see an acceptance again into this range. Of course, then I would look for the point of control and then go to the upside. But first we have to break this support to see the point of control touched. So I am really expecting a bounce from the value area high. As a confluence, what we have is the CME gap. Let's look at this chart. The daily time frame, as you can see, the Bitcoin closed at Friday at around 44,700. And let's look at this chart where 44,700 is. So it's around here, as you can see, with confluence of value area high. So that's already really nice confluence, yeah. And also what I have is the previous week value area high. Also really nice confluence, as you can see, at the, you could say, same level, yeah. We can see basically right here a support if price will retest this level, yeah. Let's look at the triangle if it is lining up nicely. Yeah, I could say it is lining up really nice. Basically in this week we can see this retracement, a retest of the low of the range of the value area high, and we can move on to higher prices. For the resistance, what do we have now? Very simple. Let me hide some things. For a resistance, I have, well, as you know, we tapped the daily level, and if we'll go just higher, I have another levels, which are basically the naked point of controls and the middle of the channel. As you can see, I have the monthly naked point of control, a very, very important level in my opinion. Just above us, I have a naked point of control daily basically, and it is really nice resistance in my opinion. Also, as you can see, we have value area high of this range, so that would be the current resistance in which I would be interested to take a short. Of course, you have to be very quick on the take profits, I would say, because as you can see, we are going to the upside with really, really nice momentum. So obviously you have to be more careful shorting, and you definitely have to need a plan in which you have to follow it, yeah. You can't break the rules and you must have a plan, otherwise the probabilities that you will lose money is high. So yeah, that is it. I'm looking for a retest of the channel, and I have also the resistance levels above me, and I am ready to trade the Bitcoin chart. Let's see what it gives to us, and let's trade the charts, not the news, not the fundamentals or anything. That is it for today. See you later. Bye.